Clayton, Missouri real estate investing. More than commercial property. It helps. It helps tremendously. Each one of you do that. It really helps. Helps gets our message to more and more investors that may be looking to do deals in the St. Louis, Missouri area. And in this video, we're talking about Clayton, Missouri. Also, make sure you subscribe. You'll see the red subscribe button right next to it. You'll see a bell icon, which is the notification button. So make sure that you turn your notifications on. Clayton, Missouri, real estate investing, more than commercial properties. For most of us here in the St. Louis, Missouri area, you know, when you hear about Clayton, the Clayton, Missouri area, one of the places that you go to when, you know, if you're going to the court, I guess it's like in other places they call it like the county seat type place. So that's where your court buildings are, and you know, you have a lot of attorneys that are there and all that good stuff. I guess the business of St. Louis County goes on in Clayton, Missouri. And, you know, a lot of times when we think about Clayton, Missouri, we think about, I guess, the real estate aspect of it. We think about commercial buildings, because when you're in Clayton, you're not really, you know, you're really just going there to take care of business one way or another, and, you know, getting out of Clayton, and you really don't pay attention to much while you're there. You know, when you think of Clayton, you think of commercial buildings in terms of real estate. You don't think of anything else. But Clayton, Missouri, you know, there are homes in Clayton, Missouri. You know, so there are single family homes. You know, you have some multi-unit homes as well in that Clayton, Missouri area. So it's really more than just commercial properties in Clayton, Missouri. And what we do here at St. Louis Wholesale Real Estate, you know, we make these videos so we can interact and we can, you know, see what other investors are doing, see the other investors that want to, and see, you know, other investors in the Clayton, Missouri area, throughout the St. Louis, Missouri area. We want to know what they're doing. What type of investors are they? What type of properties are they looking for? You know, are you a cash flow investor looking for properties in Clayton, Missouri? Are you a fix and flip investor looking for properties in Clayton, Missouri? Are you a wholesaler in the area? So, you know, and that's what we do with these videos. So, you know, we encourage you to go to our website at stlwholesalere.com and hop on our buyers list. So when we get properties, we love to put them on our buyers list and, you know, check out other investors in the area that might be buying in the Clayton, Missouri area. But Clayton, Missouri is an area where, you know, you do have residential property in that area, and you have investors in that area that buy. So it's more than just commercial buildings. Of course, I'm sure you have your commercial investors in the Clayton, Missouri area, but we deal with residential at St. Louis Wholesale Real Estate Properties. And, you know, yeah, we just always want to know and see what other investors are doing. What type of properties are they buying in the Clayton, Missouri area? How often are you buying? You know, what's your ideal property? And those questions are the same questions that we ask when you sign up for our email list. And, you know, we definitely hope that you answer those and send them back to us, because what we do is we market to, I guess, that type of, you know, we market to those answers. So we market to motivated sellers in Clayton, Missouri area, in any other area in the St. Louis area, from the answers that you all give to us via our email. So make sure that you go to our website, fill that form out, your name, email address, and, you know, you'll be sent over, you know, a couple of questions, like I said, and, you know, we market towards that, you know, towards your answers. So if you're an investor that, you know, you might be just checking out this video, maybe thinking about something in Clayton, Missouri area, but, you know, in reality, you are investing in the Lee May area, investing in the South City area. You may invest in the North County area, invest in the St. Charles area. And, you're just watching this video, just look down in the description. You'll see the links to everything. You'll see the links to our website, the links to our Facebook page, our Twitter page. I know you guys are on social media. I know some people are not on social media, but that's okay too. But if you are, and especially if you are on a place like Facebook, make sure you go to our Facebook page, and that's down in the description also, facebook.com//St. Louis Wholesale Properties. You'll see that in the description. Also, we're on Twitter also, and that's at STL Wholesale RE. But yeah, real estate investing in Clayton, Missouri, you have, there's buyers in the Clayton, Missouri area. There's people that buy at some sort of discount also in the Clayton, Missouri area. So, that's what investors are looking for. Investors are always looking for deals. Cash investors always looking for deals, looking for something that makes sense, looking for something to expand their portfolio. They're always looking for deals. Who's not looking for a deal? If someone tells you they're not looking for a deal and they claim to be a real estate investor and they're not looking for a deal, they just want to, they don't want discounts. They just want they want to pay full price for it. They're not looking for a discount. What person wants to do that? Everybody wants a discount in this business, in any business, because there's the cost of doing business, and who doesn't want to lower the cost of doing businesses by offsetting it with discount properties, or with some sort of discount. And you'll find you'll find investors in the Clayton, Missouri area. But that's really the reality of it. When you're thinking about that area, you're thinking about the tall buildings and things such as that. You're not thinking about just right down the street from those tall buildings. There are homes. There are nice homes too. And with that, those people have the same issues and problems and that everyone else has. So you'll maybe have an opportunity to score a property in Clayton, Missouri, from some sort of distress situation. Finance problems happen with everyone. You have people that inherit property that don't want it, or their intentions on it is to sell it. So not that they inherit property and they're just going to give it away to someone. No, believe it or not, that happens too. But in an area like that, you'll still be able to get some at some sort of a discount. But you have people that want to give away their property, probably don't live in the area. You have people that have pre-foreclosures. That happens in Clayton, Missouri. It happens everywhere. People lose their jobs, have houses in Clayton, Missouri. That happens everywhere, not just Clayton. So, in those scenarios, in that situation, that provides opportunities. That provides opportunities for, investors like myself. That provides opportunities for investors like yourself that may be looking for Clayton, Missouri properties. And, it happens. And, that's why we do these videos, because we like to try to open up the minds of people as well. Because, just certain areas when they hear this stuff, they're like, no, no, there's not. You can't find a property in Clayton, Missouri. You can't find a property here. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Doesn't mean you're going to find it on Zillow. Doesn't mean you're going to find it on, any of the other sites. But, they become available. And and if you're on top of things, and, if you sign up to our email list, you can see some of those properties. From time to time, when we get them, we pass them off to our investors. So make sure you go to our website at stlwholesalere.com and make sure you fill out our buyers list. So fill out your name, the email address, and confirm the email, and answer those 3 questions, send them back to us. And, you'll be on our buyers list. So we really appreciate that. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.